Hello everyone, today we are going to be unboxing the Fabulous Lightning McQueen from the Disney Cars Diecast toy line, made in Thailand. Take a look at the packaging. That's the McQueen himself, and here's the selection for other cars, so what you can get. Okay, now let's get to unboxing this guy. This is gonna take a while.
2 minutes later.
Okay, that took me like a really short. Finally got him out of the packaging. I actually have him in China version, but actually a knockoff. I didn't know this until when it became on. So let's look. The eyes in here, and this the fabulous. This is where he fills his gas. 95 for Doc Hudson. And the iconic Lightyear tires. This the bottom. 2021 Mattel Disney Pixar, made in Thailand. I think these parts are supposed to be where you connect it to Mater. Oh, and the eyes look great. The up is sorry, technical issue. And this looks absolutely amazing. Definitely gonna use this for future videos. It's real packaging. Okay, well, hold on. I actually have another McQueens to compare it, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my other McQueen. It has the same mold. There's no 95 here, but only here. Compare it. Like this. Comparison, and don't mind this chip from my other McQueen. I'll do a future video, something about this McQueen, but for now on, let's just focus on this McQueen. So that's it for all. Make sure to like and subscribe for more future videos like these. Bye bye.